Okay, we're reviewing slope-intercept form. So if I give you this equation, which would have been way too complicated for the first day, but by now I think you're getting there. This one, the slope, the m, is this one, 2/3. And the y-intercept, I made it dumb by saying y-bintercept, and the mope, just to help you remember what m stands for. The y-intercept is 5, so I'm going to start at 5. How many of you put a dot right there on the graph? Okay, then you did it right. That's where 5 would be. Now, you could have the marks be any size you want, but you're sketching it just on your paper. And then the rise over the run is 2/3. That means I need to rise 2 and run 3. Now, it's hard to exactly tell, but it should look something like that. Did any of you have your graph in the right spot? All right, a few of you did. Okay. I'm going to give you one more like that. Let's see if you remember what we learned before. Y equals 2x minus 4. First tell me what m is, then tell me what b is, then make a sketch. I'm going to pause for a second while the teachers come around and check and see if you are doing this right. Recording again, here we go. The m is 2 in this case, that's the slope, and the b is -4. You should have made a dot at -4 and had a slope of 2. Now, some of you guys, you don't have graph paper right now, I know, and we're going to get you some in a minute, but your rise and your run was off a little bit. Your rise should be 2, your run should be 1, so it should be pretty steep. Now, how steep is pretty steep? Again, rise 2 compared to running only 1. All right, so your next topic is we need to grade the homework that was due today. So we're going to stop for a moment and grade that. Okay, for those of you following along at home, all we had to do with today was graph equations. So I'm going to do that one first problem off the worksheet for you. And it looks like this. It said y equals 1/4 x minus 1. We start at -1. Quiet, please. And then we have a rise of 1 and a run of 4. That puts it over about there because we go up and then over. And then you draw a line through it, and that's all you got to do. Okay, so it's a nice, easy day of graphing lines that are in slope-intercept form. That's all I got for you for today.